was it like going through Ellis Island? Where did he live? Is the house still standing?
I've always been curious about my last name. Where did it come from? Who the heck am I?
It's always exciting for people to learn about their family history, but there's something special about being able to actually set foot and walk on the places where your ancestors walked and where they lived.
So one of the other things that we do at AncestryProGenealogists is help people uncover where their ancestors were from, and we also design custom heritage travel tours for them.
One of the highlights is that you get to go to the churches, you get to go to the repositories that have these old documents and feel the actual record that your ancestor signed, and you get to see the original signatures.
We have the opportunity to take clients on a journey of those historical places that connect to their heritage, and to see the land they farmed, to see the houses where they lived, to see the docks where they set sail from their former homes.
This is so unique and such a treasure and so particular to their shared history that you can't find it anywhere else.
All of the people that I'm aware of that have been on our customized heritage travel tours have had a fantastic experience. They've described it as life-changing, something that they never thought they would be able to experience.
That's our goal. We want them to be over the moon by the time this journey is coming to an end.